Can Yanhua ACDP2 clone 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Gearbox ECU? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to place for everything about automobile diagnostics and programming tools. Before we dive in, I have a quick request. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updates, and stick around till the end because you won't want to miss a thing. Let's get started. Question: is it possible to clone the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Gearbox ECU using the Yanhua Mini ACDP2? The VIN number provided is 1C4RGFBG8LC31XXXX. Engineers reply: after checking the VIN number, the Gearbox ECU in this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is identified as a third-generation 8HP ZFTC275, which is supported by the Yanhua Mini ACDP2 with Module 36. You can follow the step-by-step guide below to perform the cloning operation. Mini ACDP App Path. 1. Select JLR. 2. Navigate to Gearbox Clone. 3. Choose 8HP_Gen 3, ZFTC275. 4. Select Identify. 5. Perform full backup data and then full write data. Connection methods. There are two methods to connect the Yanhua ACDP2 to the Jeep Gearbox ECU. Method 1. By interface board. 1. Connect the Yanhua Module 36 JLR 8HP Gen 3 TC275 interface board to the Jeep Gearbox ECU. 2. Connect the TCU cable and PTCU adapter. 3. Push the button down to CAN-R. 4. Then, connect the Mini ACDP2 and Module 36 using the TCU cable. Method 2. By PTCU cable. 1. Connect the Yanhua ACDP2 and Jeep Gearbox ECU using the PTCU cable. 2. Connect the following cables: plus 12E cable, yellow; G&E cable, black; CAN-L cable, green; CAN-H cable, white. 3. Push the button down to CAN-R. Conclusion: yes, the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Gearbox ECU can be cloned using the Yanhua Mini ACDP2, provided it is the third-generation 8HP ZFTC275. The process can be carried out by either using the interface board or the PTCU cable, following the instructions above. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. If you'd like to support the channel, tap that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.